welcome back to CuteKR YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So yeah, here we go. So I'm on a weekend trip. So we are in a hotel view, and I brought this one pantyhose which really matched well this vibe in this hotel. So it's a Conte. White belt, 40 denier, and color is black. We'll see. Sorry, I thought this one's black. Wow, I love this color. I like this better now. It's called the Giraffe. It's a dark gray. I hope you can see this through that camera. Dark gray color. Ah, that smells good. And if 40 denier definitely has a reinforced toe. Can you see this? Reinforced toe. But look at this waistband. It's so small, it's so thin. It looks big, but elasticity has only this part. That looks great, and I like this even better now because it's not black. As I said, it's a dark gray. Once I found this, it's different color as I thought. I like this better. Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this review video. I will see you guys on the next video, and once again, please subscribe my channel and like this video. If you want to talk to me, please leave a comment below. I will see your comments. Bye guys.